Now, I'm replacing this last 3 rows next to the pool because this huge tree here keeps dropping gum nuts and leaves and stuff, of course, and gets down into the gaps of these boards and rots down and creates a humus that stays wet around the bearers under these boards are fixed to. So I've unscrewed that one and have a look what's under here. Look at that. Just permanently wet. And these little bearers that have been thinned down to sit on the pool shell, concrete pool shell, which goes from here to the pool. These last 3 rows, these bearers are quite thin, about 1 inch thick, and they're all rotten. They're all rotted out because of this humus. This wet, permanently wet stuff that's not cleaned out. So really, that has to be cleaned out every 6 months, I would say. From here back, you can see it goes up this curve. This is on. There's a void below the bearers, and all the rotten organic matter gets away. So I'll be replacing all these little bearers that are screwed into the concrete pool shell. And just taking note, the advantage of using square drive stainless steel decking screws is it can easily be lifted and cleaned out. If you nail the deck down, there is no way you can pull up the decking boards as easy as this. So just allows you to take the last few rows up every few months, 6 months, and clean out all this rotten stuff. You can see all the stuff under here, it's wet, and these 1 inch thick bearers have failed. So it's just completely rotted through. So they have to be replaced. Next project here will be to sand back the oxidization from the top of the decking boards and refinish with 2 coats of decking oil. Subscribe to follow along with the progress we make and many projects we will be posting to this channel. Have a good one.